Imagine yourself in this 2008 Ford Edge. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with a solid 6-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Let the sunshine in with a sunroof, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing vehicle. Air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Call today to schedule a test drive.